The Singapore Venture Capital and Private Equity Association, or SVCA, is the representative trade association for VC and PE fund managers with a presence in Singapore. Our members run the gamut from early-stage VC fund managers all the way to the very large private equity buyout fund managers who are managing Pan-Asian or global funds. Most, if not all, of our members are investing not only in Singapore, but also into neighbouring countries like Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and Vietnam. Some may even go as far south as India or even into China. Hence, we see our role at SVCA as promoting venture capital and private equity into the greater Southeast Asia region. To us, VIMA is a very important tool. It has the potential to cut down the costs and the time needed to get VC deals done. And as the number and quantum of VC deals going into Southeast Asia is growing, this collaboration with SAL is very timely. For early-stage enterprises, which are typically pre-profit and sometimes even pre-revenue, fundraising can take up an enormous amount of time and resources, particularly for first-time entrepreneurs. VIMA will give both the entrepreneurs and the VC investors a set of legal documents with fairly standard terms and practices that are used in this part of the world. And this could be a good starting point and potentially reduce the time taken to arrive at an agreement. During fundraising, entrepreneurs pitch to many VCs. So they may be faced with many different term sheets with a myriad of terms and conditions, which could be rather daunting and very confusing, especially for first-time entrepreneurs. One of the feedback from the VC roundtable was that a lot of time is spent just explaining and educating entrepreneurs on the meaning and significance of each of the items in the term sheet. You can of course Google and find the meanings of each of these VC terms. But we thought that a VC lexicon putting together all these various VC terms in one place could be a very useful reference for entrepreneurs. They can study these beforehand, work out the implications, weigh the pros and cons, and then decide which are the terms that they should focus their time and attention on and negotiate on those items that are truly important to them.